Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about hand hygiene. So I'm going to demonstrate the use of hand sanitizer or alcohol rub to you so that you know how to use them correctly. Kindly watch this video to the end. So before you go in for any hand washing, being it alcohol rub or with soap and under running water, first of all, if you are wearing a ring, you have to take it off before you start with your hand washing. And before you use any hand sanitizer, you have to check the alcohol content in the sanitizer, of which it should be from 60 to 90% alcohol in any sanitizer that we use. So after you've checked that, and the one I am using is 80% alcohol inside. So you pour enough of this alcohol palmful, then you dip your fingers inside, and then the vice versa. Then you rub your palm to palm, and then you rub your right palm over the back and the left hand with an interlaced fingers, and then vice versa. Then you rub the palm to palm with fingers interlaced, yeah, like this. Then you rub back of the fingers to the opposing palms with the fingers interlocked, yes, like this, and then the vice versa. Then when you are done with the interlocking, then you rotate rub left thumb clasped in right palm, and then the vice versa. Then you extend it to the wrist, and then you are good to go. So when you are done and so you still have excess sanitizer on your hand, you still do over the procedure again, and that is it. Thanks so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye. Love you.